Yo, yo, what's poppin', fellas? Whoop, 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 whoops. Yo, 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 what's poppin', fellas? Back with the trading recap. I'm gonna go over the trade we just took today for a 3RR. Made about $1,300. Let me double check. Uh, $1,398 we made today on NQ in under 30 minutes. So let's go over the trade. Let's go over why I took the trade. And hopefully you guys can take a trade like this too. And if you guys want one-on-one mentorship, hit me up. I have the description, I believe, or the link is in the description, I believe. Check it out. See what you think. It could change your life. All right, now let's start in the 30-minute. Obviously, market opens at what time? 9:30. Hopefully, you guys know that. If you don't know that, then click off the video. Go watch another video for beginners. I'm sure I have one. So, 30-minute. What do I see? Well, we have a bearish fair value gap, aka a resistance zone. Okay, if we're going up supply and demand, it's a resistance zone. Blah blah blah. Same shit. No other traders being straight up with you like that. I am. I just like to use ICT methods. So this is a bearish fair value gap, or guess what? A fucking zone. It's a resistance zone. Okay, support and resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. Anyways, go down to the 3-minute. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? Well, I see that 30-minute bearish fair value gap is holding, okay? Why do I know it's holding? Well, because this candle couldn't quite come through, had a wick in. This candle, nothing happened, had a wick in. This candle ended up having a wick up, could not break, ended up breaking down out of it. Right there, that's when I entered. We'll go down to the 1-minute so it's a little more clear. And look, you can even see more on the 1-minute, these candles. This bearish fair value gap was holding well. So really there was no need for it to break above, right? It's probably going to break down. Why? It also swept liquidity up here. It fucking swept liquidity right here. So I was expecting liquidity to get swept all the... Maybe it did. Yeah, look, it did come all the way up to that liquidity. All right, anyways, back on track, back on track. Okay, bang. Buy side liquidity got swept right there, right? So now what are we looking for? Well, we want to look for sells. That's exactly what I did. I waited for this 30-minute fair value gap to get broken through. Bang, right there it broke. We also had a bullish fair value gap right here that I wanted to break through, which this one candle broke through. That's where I entered. Entered here, and right away, bang, broke straight through this bullish fair value gap. Imbalance, filled it all. I sold down here. I sold like 10. No, I sold 15. I had 25 contracts. Sold 15 of them right here. Was expecting us to have a little pullback up to this zone, which because of the bullish fair value gap, this candle held, so did this candle, so I expected us naturally to come back up a little bit. I also already moved my stops down to like right here just in case. If you guys want to watch the live trade, it's going to be uploaded. You can literally see exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, sold some here, sold some there, ended up pulling back up. Finally broke through that bullish fair value gap, and now we're going to use that as what? Well, an inverse fair value gap. So we came down, retested it. I was targeting this sell side liquidity. We got it, so I sold some. And I was also hoping that we could come down and sweep this sell side liquidity and fill this gap in. But the gap was holding pretty strongly, and it's a pretty strong area of support. I mean, like if I look, you can see right here. I mean, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All fucking support, right? So I had a feeling right away it's not going to break all the way through, so I trimmed it right up here, yeah. Made about 1390 something. I forget what it was. I know I made 1300 on the trade. Literally within 30 fucking minutes. It was a beautiful trade. And look, we ended up, I mean, what a sniper sell. Ended up using this bullish fair value gap as support and continued to go to the upside. Just so you guys are aware, there was another trade we could have taken. Bang. We have a change in state of delivery right here. So this is a little trick for you guys. Well, not a trick, but a little sneak peek on how I trade. And we have a bullish fair value gap. And remember those things that I originally had marked out? I had my, yeah, right here it was. I had the other buy side liquidity up here. You could also even use this. But check it out. So what do you see right here? Well, this sell side liquidity got swept. This bullish for value gap's holding. What do we want to see next? We want to see a change in state of delivery, right? Well, we come up. Boom, we broke that structure. That's a change in state of delivery. Now what? We also have a bullish for value gap. I want to wait for a pullback to that bullish for value gap. I can put these right here, or put these right here, or put them at this wick. I personally would probably straight up put mine right there, and I'd move this up to even right here, or I'd personally probably move it up to this because I would expect it to get legit hit. Now what else? Okay, well, no worries, because watch. TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3, if you get greedy, that's on you. I would have definitely trimmed more. And then you move your stops. This is a fucking 1 to 3 pretty much. So, solid trade. And some people just put their stops at the bottom of the fair value gap. So, that's a 4 RR right there. Could have been a fucking 3 RR. Or if you put them right here, I would have probably put mine right there. Would have been a 2 RR all day. Could have secured another 2 RR on the day. So whatever. But we had a 3 RR. I'm done for the day. I only need one trade, and that's that. But that's another that's another model right there for you guys. It's literally like the same model. But that's the trading recap. Hope you guys learned something. Please support the channel, like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, honestly. It also gives me more drive to post more and to educate more people. Straight up. Because if I don't see any, I don't know, bro. If I don't see anything, it's just like, bro, I don't even care to do this, if I'm being honest. But hey, peace out, guys. Much love. Rastafari, man.